In this section, I'd like to introduce tools and equipment for dabbing. Dabbing is a process of manipulating fabric to desired garment style on dress form. Firstly, we need to prepare a dress form able to insert pins easily. Next, we will prepare some muslin. There are some types of different muslin. Normally, for a beginner, a coarse weave of medium weight will be suitable, because the grain is easily recognized and the lines is clearly seen on it. After dabbing the garment, we need to transfer the muslin pattern to paper pattern. Therefore, we needed to prepare some pattern paper. White pattern paper is recommended. In dabbing, we need to have some tools to help us measuring dress form, drawing the guidelines and outlines. Firstly, we need to prepare a tape measure. Tape measure should have a smooth surface and clearly marked. It is used to measure the dress form. Another vital tool is plastic ruler. Then, air square. If you don't want an air square, a triangle can be used instead. It's hard to draw curves with your bare hands. We need to prepare French curve. For slightly curved lines, we use variform curve ruler. Either this type or this type can be applied. To draw lines on muslin, we need to prepare some sharpened pencils. In general, we draw the normal lines by the black pencil. Then, use blue or red pencil to make correction. As a rule, blue pencil is for first correction, and red pencil for second correction. It can be very clear that if we see blue line on muslin, then the blue line is the final line, while if we see red line on muslin, then the red line should be the final. We will continue to prepare scissors. We'd better to prepare two scissors. One is for cutting fabric, another is to cut paper. Prepare pins. Slender pins are recommended. For example, number 17 steel setting pins. Slender pins are easily inserted into dress form. For convenience, you'd better prepare a cushion to place pins on. Sometimes we will use style tape to indicate style lines on dress form. Style tape is made in various widths, but only the narrow width is recommended. You can choose the sticky non-woven tape or the woven ribbon tape, which can be secured on dress form by pins. Sometimes we want to copy the lines on muslin to paper or to another piece of muslin. For this purpose, you need to prepare the tracing wheel and tracing paper. One-side carbon paper is recommended. Sometimes we would hand-stitch the fabric and gather it. In this case, we need to prepare the sewing threads and needles. Besides the tools, in dabbing lab or design studio, pressing equipment should be prepared to press the fabric. Pressing equipment include ironing board and sleeve board. Sleeve board is used to press sleeves. Now, we have prepared the main tools and equipment for dabbing. Let's review them. Before dabbing, we should prepare dress form, muslin pattern paper, tape measure, plastic ruler, air square or triangle, hip curve, French curve, pencils, scissors, pins and cushion, style tape, tracing wheel, tracing paper, hand needle, and thread. iron, ironing board, and sleeve board.